Islam is a monotheistic religion that was founded in the 7th century by the Prophet Muhammad in the Arabian Peninsula. The central belief in Islam is the oneness of God, known as Allah in Arabic, who is seen as merciful and compassionate. The holy book of Islam is the Quran, which Muslims believe to be the word of God as revealed to the Prophet Muhammad through the angel Gabriel. Islam has 5 pillars that form the foundation of the faith and are essential to the practice of Islam. 1. Shahada, the declaration of faith in one God and the Prophet Muhammad as his messenger. 2. Salat, performing the 5 daily prayers facing towards the Kaaba in Mecca. 3. Zakat, the giving of alms to the poor and needy. 4. Psalm, fasting during the holy month of Ramadan. 5. Hajj, the pilgrimage to the holy city of Mecca at least once in a lifetime for those who are physically and financially able. Islam also has a strong emphasis on social justice, compassion, and community service. Muslims are encouraged to treat others with kindness, respect, and fairness, regardless of their race, ethnicity, or religion. Long ago, in the Arabian Peninsula, the people lived in a time of great turmoil. They were divided into tribes, each with their own beliefs and customs. There was no unity, no sense of community, and no hope for the future. It was in this time that a man named Muhammad was born. Muhammad was an orphan, raised by his uncle in the city of Mecca. He was known for his honesty, his kindness, and his wisdom. He often retreated to a cave in the mountains to pray and contemplate the world around him. One day, while he was in the cave, Muhammad received a revelation from God. The angel Gabriel appeared to him and recited the first verses of what would become the Quran, the holy book of Islam. At first, Muhammad was unsure of what had happened to him. But as he continued to receive revelations, he began to understand that he had been chosen by God to be a prophet and to spread the message of Islam. The message of Islam was simple: there is only one God, Allah, and Muhammad was his messenger. Islam also taught that all people were equal in the eyes of God, regardless of their race or social status. It called for justice, compassion, and generosity, and encouraged people to live their lives with purpose and meaning. At first, Muhammad's message was met with resistance. The people of Mecca were wary of this new religion, and they feared that it would disrupt their way of life. But as more and more people began to convert to Islam, the people of Mecca grew afraid. They began to persecute the Muslims, torturing and killing them in an attempt to stamp out the new religion. But despite the violence and the fear, the Muslims continued to spread the message of Islam. They were determined to live their lives according to the teachings of the Quran, no matter what the cost. Eventually, Muhammad and his followers were forced to flee Mecca. They made their way to the nearby city of Medina, where they were welcomed by the people. It was in Medina that the first Muslim community was established. Over the years, Islam spread throughout the Arabian Peninsula and beyond. Muhammad continued to receive revelations from God, and these were recorded in the Quran. He also established a set of laws and practices, known as the Sunnah, which guided the daily lives of Muslims. Today, Islam is one of the world's largest religions, with over 1 billion followers around the globe. It has had a profound impact on the world, shaping the culture, art, and architecture of the countries where it is practiced. And although it has sometimes been misunderstood and misrepresented, Islam remains a powerful force for good in the world.